Today we're diving into a foolproof guide on how to get rid of carpet smell once and for all. Let's roll up our sleeves and get started. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! First things first, Sherlock, we gotta play detective. What's causing that pesky smell in your carpet? Scan your carpet. Any stains or discolorations could be suspects. Walk around your room like you're on patrol, noting any areas where the smell's stronger. Have any accidents or spills happened recently? Keep an eye out for the clues. Alright, so you've nailed down the culprits. What's next? Well, we match the stink to the remedy, like a smelly game of whack-a-mole. Got a food or drink spill? A steam cleaner or enzyme-based cleaner will do the trick. Pet mishap? Those enzyme cleaners are gonna be your new best friend. Suspect mold or mildew? Break out the vinegar, but remember to tackle that sneaky moisture issue too. Old carpet smell or general mustiness? Vacuuming, baking soda, and steam cleaning are your golden trio here. Always start small, then get tougher as needed. Remember, folks, we're not fighting fires here. Ready for some action? Grab your vacuum cleaner. And, no ordinary one, get one with a HEPA filter. Give it the slow and steady treatment, focus on high traffic areas. Patience is key here, let's not leave any dirt behind. Now, enter the hero of our story, baking soda. It's an absolute ninja when it comes to absorbing odors. Go wild, sprinkle it generously all over your carpet, especially on the smellier parts. Then, let's give baking soda some alone time with your carpet. An hour minimum, but hey, the longer, the better. Let it work its magic, pulling those smells out from the fibers. Back with the vacuum, folks, but this time, a brush attachment is your ally. Go over the carpet again, picking up all that baking soda. Give it a good sniff, smells better, right? If not, don't sweat it. We've got more tricks up our sleeve. Ever heard of steam cleaning? It's like a sauna for your carpet, but it's lifting dirt and odors, not just sweat. Get yourself a steam cleaner, fill it up, and let it work its magic. Go slow, let the steam sink in, and then let it dry. Remember, patience is key here. Still smelling funky? Time for a vinegar spritz. Mix it up with water, test it on a hidden piece of your carpet first, and then lightly mist the stinky spots. Let it dry, then vacuum up any residue. There might be a tangy vinegar scent afterwards, but don't worry, that'll clear up in no time. Got a stubborn stink that just won't quit? Enzyme cleaners to the rescue. Pick a cleaner that's right for your mess, test it out, and then apply. Let it sit, blot it up, and voila! Smell should be gone. If that pesky smell's still hanging around, it's time to call in the pros, a professional carpet cleaning service. And if it still won't budge, it might be time for a new carpet, my friend. Alright folks, that's it for today's guide on how to get rid of carpet smell. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Oh, and don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions.